Hello kids, I hope you enjoyed Diwali vacation very well. So students, now we will back to our work. Yes, so our subject is English grammar and our new chapter is has and have. So what is the meaning of has and have? Has and have are the helping verbs. So kids, has and have shows that something belongs to someone. Something belongs to someone. Okay kids, so now we will learn that where we use has and where we are using have. Okay. So kids, now we will learn one small table that where we have to use has and where we have to use have. So now we are talking about singular and plural. As I told you many times, there will be three types of person are there. First person, second person and third person. So now we will learn about the first person. Okay. So in singular, first person means I, yani मैं. First person means I, means मैं. So we use have. We use have with the I in the first person in singular. So हम I के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? Have. Okay. So in plural, first person में plural क्या होता है? We. Means when we are talking about many things. जो बहुत सारी चीजों के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? We using we. So what we use with we use have. Okay. We use have helping verb with we. Okay. Now we are talking about second person. Second person, yes, you. Means you means when I am talking about someone else, you. So what we use with you? We use have. We use have. Okay. In second person, in plural also we using you. So what we use with plural, we also use have with you in plural. Now we are talking about third person. Now we are talking about third person. In singular, third person means he, she, whether, it. Right? Oh, हम third person like if I talking about मैं और मेरा friend किसी third person की बात कर रहे हैं. Like might be he will be he, she or it. Okay, हम किसी की भी बात कर सकते हैं. Any boy, any girl or might be any animal or any non-living thing. So we write he, she, it. Okay. So इन तीनों के साथ what we use has. We use has. Okay. Now in third person in plural we write they. Means हम कैसे बोलते हैं? They are waiting for us. So what we write? They. So हम they के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? We use have. They have. Okay. So now students, you are have, you have, you have. He, she, it के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? We use has, and they के साथ भी we use have. Okay. So students, you have to learn this small table. Okay. This is very necessary. Okay. Now students, I am giving you one example. Raj has 2 books. So students, now listen. Raj means what? He, one, Raj. Yes. Third person, he, she, it. मैम ने आपको क्या सिखाया था? Has. Where we use has with only third person in singular with he, she or it. So Raj means he. So he means Raj. Raj has 2 books. Now I am giving you one more example. Okay. Sonakshi and Mahek have 4 books. Okay, so now we are talking about 2 persons, Sonakshi and Mahek. So हम उसके साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? In plural what we use have. So students, now you are clear where we are using has and where we are using have. We only have to use has with he, she or it in third person for singular. Rather we have to use have. Okay. So now let's move to our first exercise. So students, now let's move to our first exercise. What is written here? Circle the correct words to complete these sentences. हमको sentence complete कैसे करना है? We have to complete sentence with the help of has or have, which will be suitable that we have to circle, right? First of all, in first number, what is written? I has, have, 2 eyes. So what is our first word? I. So हम I के साथ क्या use करते हैं? Yes, we use have, right? As I told you, first person like I. So हम I के साथ क्या use करेंगे? I have 2 eyes. Second number, she has have a nice voice. She has have a nice voice. What is here first word written? She. मैम ने आपको समझाया था. I explained you. We use has with he, she and it. So here first word is she. So we use has. She has a nice voice. She has a nice voice, right? Next, it has have noted. It, he, she, it, third person in singular. What we are using? We use has. It has noted. तो हम has को क्या करेंगे? Yes, we do circle on has. Next, fourth number, we have many friends. Here what is written? We means plural. So what we use? We use have. We have many friends. So we have to circle have. Okay, next number. He has have long fingers. He. What is our first word? He. He, she, it means we using has. Okay. Rather we are using have. So हम यहाँ पे he है तो क्या किसको सर्कल करेंगे? Yes, we circle has. He has long fingers. Okay. I have a pet kitten. What is written here? I means first person. So I have. I के साथ हम क्या use करेंगे? Have a pet kitten because he, she, it is is not there, so we use have. So now I hope you clear about where we have to use has and where we have to use have. Okay. Refer this video. We will provide homework in our group. We will interact soon in online sessions for your queries and doubts.